You got the answer? Actually, this is like a trick now. But it's a fraction, huh? You got to give it as a fraction.
43 over 72.
43 over 72. Okay, then can you give over 72? The other two will be what? 45 and 40, correct?
Yeah.
But 43 is not in the center of 45 and 40. 42.5 is the one. Correct. So you can't have a decimal there. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, I'll show you on the board. Hold on. Okay, I just am downloading your. Okay, so you can see the screen, right? Okay, now you see, Okay, now you see, Now you have done 5 over 8, 5 over 9. Then you times this by 8, you times this by 9. So you times this by 9, you times this by 8. So you get 45 and 40 over 72. But if you go, the difference is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So the right and the between is 42.5. Correct? Correct. Okay, so you got to find a bigger number lah. Maybe you wanna. Okay, I give you another one. Now you try this one. Find the fraction that is in between these two. Can you try? You can do working, no problem. You can see, right? Let's say I want you to find in between this. Let's say we make it 6 times 2, times 3, times 3, times 2, times 2. So you get 3 over 6 and 2 over 6. In between is 2.5. So 6 is not good enough. You make it bigger. Down here you can make it or times another 2 times another 2. Times 2 times 2. So you get 3 times 2, 6 over 12. This one is 4 over 12. Right? And you get the one in between, 5 over 12. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is in between, right? That's one way of doing it. Let us see whether, okay. Okay, you try to make it higher lah. Just now, what you write down here? 1 from 5 over 8, and then you have 5 over 9, right? So then you change it to 40 over 72 and 45 over 72. So now can you times another 2 times another 2? You see how it goes. What do you get? Correct? Do you get this? Then you can get 85 over 144. Can see now. I times this by another 2 times another 2, I get 144, 144, 144. So between 80 and 90, the difference is 10. 10 divided by 2 get 5. So plus get 85. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So can you see this is right in between? You get it. Earlier on, if you write like that, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Between these two, if you take 44, you can see one difference on here. Down here got 2. So this is not exactly center. Can see now. So now you make the denominator bigger, times it by 2, and then you can get it. How? Are you okay? You get it now? Do you get it? I have to give you my own question now. You try this one now. The difference between 3, 5, and 3, 3, 5, and 2, 7. The
You're a
point
bit
right
laggy.
in between. Oh, laggy. Okay. Okay. How do I? Okay. I will get it fixed with this one. But you get what I'm saying? The exact point in between the two is lagging still. Is my side or your side? My side.
I think your side.
Okay. I will try then to. Something else. Okay, I tell you what, we move on to question 8 first. You do question 8. I will try to fix the internet if it's my side. How can you get?
Negative 25x plus 30.
Okay, well done, well done. You know, the work that you did for your school test, was it easy? Do you know how to do all those questions? I'm not sure still.
Huh?
Okay, your school test, right? I'll just show you. You got 17 out of 25, right? I will just share screen with you down here. Okay, you can see this one. Can you see what I'm sharing now? Your paper? Can see now? Cannot. Okay, I will show you again. This. So all this, do you know how to do already?
Yeah.
Your teacher went through.
Yeah.
So you know how to do all of them.
I think there are still some.
Okay, maybe I'll just show you the questions. You tell me which one you're not sure.
Question 6.
Question 6. Okay. So how do you feel about your result? Are you happy or you say a little bit?
Yeah.
Question 6 you got correct. 6. This is 5, is it? 5. Okay. But how did the rest do in the test? What's the pass rate and all? Do you know?
I think 21 distinctions.
21 distinctions.
Yeah.
Meaning A, scoring A.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you got a B, right?
Yeah.
70 times. So B is, your score is 10 times 4, 40, 68. You got 68%. 17 out of 25, 68%. So it's not so far from another 7 more marks. You can get a distinction also. Okay, so let us see. 6B, you're not sure, is it?
Yeah.
Okay,
6.
6C also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we go through one by one. Nathan bought X number of red pens at $2 each. Find in terms of X the amount, what? The amount paid, is it?
Spend.
For the red pens. Yeah, okay, so 2 times X, 2X, okay, correct. Now we move on to the next one. He then bought 3 more blue pens than red pens. Okay, so he bought X red pens. So he bought X plus 3. Okay, down here, X plus 3 is correct. This is the number of blue pens. Each blue pen costs $3. So you 3 times, so this one is correct. 3X plus 9 is correct. Okay, then they say if Nathan spent $24 in total, find the number of red pens he bought. Okay, do you understand how to do B now first? Or not sure?
No.
No, okay, so you have the question paper with you. I'll show it on the board. So now, they say now that, down here, they say that number of red pens bought is X. And then number of blue pens bought is 3 more, 3 plus the red pens number. Red pens number is X. So must be 3 plus X. How that is okay now? Is that okay? Because they say there's 3 more pens bought. Right? 3 more blue pens bought than red pens. So red pens, if you look at question A, there's X. X is the number. So blue pens is 3 more than X. So 3 plus X. How? Okay, if you cannot see, I'll share screen. I'll show you again. Down here now. You look down here? Okay, down here now. He bought X number of pens. So the number of red pens bought is X. Then he bought 3 more blue pens than red pens. So must be 3 more than X. So X plus 3 is the number of blue pens bought. Now, how do you find the total amount paid? You look at your first example. You take the number of pens, X, times by the price per pen. That's why X times 2, 2X. You take price of 1 pen times by the number of pens. Same thing, now the number of pens is X plus 3. And the price is $3. So you times it together. Are you confused? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah means okay, right? Or you confused? Okay. Now, if you know now, 2 times X, this is the price of the red pen. The blue pen, just now we say X plus 3 times 3. Then you get 3X plus 9. So this is now 3X plus 9. This is the price of the blue pens. Now it says that the total amount paid is $24, if I'm not mistaken. He spent a total of $24. So that means if I plus these two together, this is equals to $24. Now, to make sure, this part, do you understand? $24, you get it? You read the question? Okay, come. You read the question. Okay, because you seem a little bit confused. Okay, now down here. Nathan spent $24 in total. Doing what? Buying the red pens and blue pens. So red pens, the price he paid is $2X. 2 is the price for 1 pen. X is the number. So 2 times X is the total amount he paid for the red pens. The blue pens, he paid 3X plus 9. Okay, so we plus 2X plus 3X plus 9 give you the total amount of money paid, which is $24. So down here, this is the red pens. This is the blue pens price. This is the total price it paid. We remove the sign, no need to put the dollar sign, then you just solve it like that. Can you find what is X? You try to solve? Are you confused, Edmund?
No.
Okay, yeah. Okay, you try to solve that. You got to plus these two together equals to, but you remove the dollar sign.
5x equals to 15.
Oh. Sorry,
5,
you still get 15.
5,
Okay, let us see. Yeah.
5x equals to 15.
Okay, 5x equals to 15. So, okay, we see. 5x equals to 15. X equals to 3. So that means, how many red pens he buy? He buy, this is 3 pens. Then blue pens, 6 pens. What is the correct answer? Let's see. You see, your teacher give you the correct answer? No. There's 6 pens, right? 6 pens is for the blue. Yeah, your answer is 3 pens, right? Can you see? You
No,
see now the
it's
question.
my correction.
Your correction. So now they're asking you what is the number of red pens. So if you say 5x equals 15, you're correct. Then you find what is x, divide by 5, you get 3. So what is this 3? 3, the value of 3 is x. X is 3. That means this is number of red pens bought is x, which is 3. So he bought 3 red pens. Solved already. Let us see now, look at your what do you do? So now down here, okay, down here is is the same thing, right? So x equals to 3. So there, the answer is that. Let us look at yours. Yours is wrong, I think, because you use this one. Are you okay? Are you confused now? You look confused, Edmund. What are you confused about? I know. Which part are you
Tired.
confused? Oh, tired. Okay.
Because I
You didn't get chocolates,
badminton this morning.
Oh, what? Okay, next time we have badminton in the morning, we can always change to Sunday. Not a problem.
Sometimes
Okay,
it's
you
on
don't need to
Saturday.
tell your mom to change. Sometimes on Saturday. Sometimes it's on a Sunday also.
No, not sometimes. Most of the time.
It's on Sunday. Most of the time. That's why I was asking your mom whether she wants to change the day. No problem actually for me to change to tomorrow 5 p.m. So next time if you have badminton, you just message me. Say, can we have it at 5 p.m. Then I will arrange for it. Okay, what about any other questions other than that you're not sure? Or the rest you're okay? Let's see what about this one?
B.
B.
Yeah, for this.
This one is it?
For this one.
Okay, so let us see now. They say let us study this pattern below. Sorry, it's a new laptop, so I'm okay. So figure 1, there's 1. Figure 2, there's 2. Figure 3, there's 3. But now they're talking about the number of lines. These are hexagons. So there's 6. There's 11. There's, okay, this one, okay. All right. So let us see now what you write. 4th one, okay, you actually drew lah. How do you get this one? You drew, is it? Or you just plus 5, or plus 5. 21, okay, that's another way. Find an expression. Okay. for the nth term. Do you see any relationship with them? 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12 minus 1. 3 times 6, 18 minus 2. Do you see a pattern?
Yeah, can I use 1 times 5 plus 1?
1 times 5 plus 1.
Then 2 times 10 plus 1.
Then 3 times 5 plus 1. Okay. Does it work or not? Does it work? Okay, let's say 4 times 5, 20 plus 1. Okay, that is wonderful. Why not? You have just come out. So they want you to come out your own formula. So you must be able to write it this way. So now let's say now, if you want to do it that way, so you say 1. The first one, 1 times 5 minus 1, do you get a plus 1? Get 6. Second one, 2 times 5 get 10, plus 1, 11. 3, 15 plus 1, 16. So you already got the answer. So how do you write it? So the value of n term is equals to times what? 5 plus 1, right? So what is down here? Is n. So 5n, so it's equals to 5n plus 1. Is that, do your teacher give the answer? No, right?
Yeah.
So this is what you are saying. What you are telling me, I'm writing it down. 5n plus 1. So 5 times n, whatever the value of n is, if let's say I ask you for the 10th position, you take 10 times 5, 50 plus 1, 51. So you have already found the method. All you need to know is how to put it in formula form. So n is the position, you use the n times 5, you get 5n, n plus 1 like that. How is it? Can, right? Now, is there a clear way? There is no clear way actually, sometimes. There's no clear way. But you try, you find that it works. I was thinking of like this. I was thinking more complex now. I was thinking, I didn't see the first times 2, and then like minus, okay, times 6, times 6. Yeah, mine is more complex. Times 6 down here, you minus 0. Then times 6, you get 12, you must minus 1. So it's always minus n minus 1, which is very complex. Yours is very nice, very neat. Your formula is very nice and neat, very simple. This is a good formula. So let us move on. There, down here, this is your. Okay, so we move on to the next one. When n is 16, so you just put 5 times 16. So this one you know how to do also lah, right? Same thing, right? 5n plus 1, 5 times 16, because n is 16, you get 80 plus 1, 81. Okay, maybe I have to give you another question. Let us try and search for that question. Okay, so your test, more or less, you're okay, right? You got no problems, huh? Okay, we try now question number 9.
Two over 15.
How many? 2 over 15.
Yeah.
2. Okay, 2/15. Okay, can I see your working, please? You show me your working. Wait, I cannot see. Hold on. So, but is there working? There's no working. Okay, we do together now. You tell me now, okay, how much of the land is used for orchids? Orchids is how much?
3/15.
Oh, you use 15. Okay, 3/15. Okay. So what is left after orchids? Left. What's the remaining plot? You agree it's 12/15? Because you use 3 now, there's 12 more left. Agree? Agree, yeah? So now they use roses. How many is used for your roses? How much land is used for roses?
2/3.
2/3 of the remaining. Is 2/3 of the remaining, not 2/3 of the whole thing. 2/3 of the remaining. So the remaining is, you must put like that lah. You know how to do this? Divide by 3. Oh, cannot see. Oh, sorry. So down here, 2/3. Okay. They say 2/3 of the remaining. Remaining is, as we agree, is 12/15. Right? So divide by 3, get 4. So 2 times 4 is 8/15. So now you say 3/15 is used for orchids. This one is roses, used by roses. So how many is left? We take 15 units minus 3 minus 8. So you get 4. 4/15 is left. But you said 5/15. So I think you took 2/3 of the whole thing. Am I correct? Cannot be 2/3 of the whole thing. Because they tell you, you look at the question, 2/3 of the remaining. How do you get it? You don't get it. I'm scared you don't get it. Tired. Okay, so the where you got wrong, okay, I show you your method. Okay, this is what you did. 1 whole minus 1/3 minus 2/3. Am I correct? Minus 1/5. Then after that, you get 4/5 minus 2/3. You change it to 15. You change it to 15, which is 12/15 minus 10/15 equals to 2/15. Your answer is correct if they say 2/3 of the whole land. They didn't say 2/3 of the whole land. It's 2/3 of a part of the land. Okay, so we move on. Can we try now? Question number 11.
I don't know.
Okay, this one look complex, but it's not complex. Okay, we did step by step. They did a check on 5 bottles. The bottles are A, B, C, D, E. Inside, there is supposed to be 24 units. They're supposed to be. But in bottle A, there's more than 24 units. There's 1.6 units more. So you plus to 24, you get 25.6 units. And then for B, there's less than 24. So they ask, what is the concentration of alcohol in C? Is it 24 units or less or more for C?
less.
So you just take 24 minus 1.2 lah. You can get answer.
$22.8.
22.8, correct. Okay, then now you need to write down all the concentration level from A, B, C, D, E. Then you can do question number 2.
A and D.
A and D. 24 plus 0.4, what's the answer?
Oh, wait, A.
A only, okay, good. So look, the question looks difficult, but it's not difficult. Don't be frightened of the question. It looks like a gangster question. I myself, if I meet a gangster, I also feel scared. But this one, it's not difficult. So you try now question number 12. Again, it may look like a gangster question, but it's not a gangster question.
I don't know.
Okay, you know what's a coin, right? You flip, you can get head or tails. Last time is
8.
8. Okay, how do you get 8?
20 minus 4.
Okay, 20 minus 4.
12.
12. Okay. But how many heads did he get?
8.
So 8, how you get 20?
After 25th.
So now, what I mean by after is out of the 20 flip of the coins, 12 is tails. How many is heads?
8.
8, right? So 8 will get how many score? What's the score?
10K.
10K. For 8, no. For 8. 1 is for heads.
16K.
16K. Then for tails, you must minus K for every, so you minus 12K. So 16K minus 12K equals to
4K.
4K. Are you okay now? You look very tired, Mr. You can take it or not? Can take it. Oh, you want to stop already, this guy. I tell you what, okay. We continue for half an hour tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Is that okay? You look too tired. How to do? Ken, tomorrow 5 o'clock, 5 to 5:30. We have another half an hour.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Okay. So next time you got badminton in the morning, just tell me. Okay. Then we'll shift to the next day. For now, my schedule is quite free. You see. So what you do for homework tomorrow? You do question 10. You do 13. Do 14. And can you do section A now? You finish the whole of this test lah. Can from number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until all those not done. Can And so I see you at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Don't be sad. Edmund, are you sad? You're sleepy and you're tired. But do you win the game?
Huh?
You won? Do you win the game?
No, I
the
just
badminton game.
we just train.
Oh, just training. Okay. So you try to do as much as you can from that exercise, and then I'll see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock for half an hour more.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.